Hi, my name's Andrew and I'm one of the founders of getKambium. Today I'm excited to show you how getKambium can make your MSP more successful by having a stronger connection with your clients. Let's see how it works. Today we're going to go meet a new client called Smith Green Nurseries, and we're going to find out what's important to them in a sales prospecting call. getKambium allows you to find out what's important to your clients by going through a structured workshop to find out what their needs are. Out of the box, we've got a sales discovery, which is wonderful when you're prospecting new customers because it allows you to show your client how you are different from other MSPs with a structured and organized process to find out what's important to them. Or there's a cybersecurity review to find out what their risks are and what their key responses are. Finally, there's a full business technology review framework to allow you to get a comprehensive understanding of all of your clients' IT needs compared to their business strategy. Today, we're going to go and meet a new customer called Smith Green Nurseries, and we're going to prospect to them to find out what they need to do. getKambium makes it easy by guiding you through the process. First up, we want to understand what's special about this organization. What's their unique value proposition? What makes them successful? What systems do they have right now? What projects do they have underway? And what are some of the issues that they might be encountering? After all, those might be the reason why they're calling you in for help. Once you've got that out of the way, we now want to ask them some more in-depth questions. The sales discovery has 12 questions to give a quick overview and show the customer your unique value proposition. Each of these questions guides you through how to ask it and how to record the answers. Some of these questions will be questions the customer's never been asked before. Once you've completed the interview, head back to the office and put together your recommendations to solve the customer's problems that they've described to you. getKambium makes it easy for you by bottling our hundreds of years of experience into some templates that you can use to provide solutions to your clients and adapt them to your service stack. Once you put those recommendations together, you've now got the skeleton of your business plan for your client. Using the metadata, you can size those, whether the jobs are small or large, 1 or 2 days, 1 or 2 weeks, 1 or 2 months, $1,000, $10,000 or more. You can schedule those jobs and classify them as business as usual or as adding value. Next up, move on to themes, and this is where getKambium automatically groups your recommendations to make it easy and meaningful to present to your client. Now, simply add a commentary, your own words, and you're done. Now you have a highly valuable report that your customer is going to value and is going to provide you with the roadmap and the account plan to look after your customer's needs. Now, 3 months has passed and the customer's been working successfully with you. It's time for you to go back and show them the value that you've offered with a high quality QBR. Simply move into the QBR module, give it a name, and away we go. The QBR module lets you confirm the current state of your client, the things they told you in the discovery, because sometimes some of those things may have changed a little bit. You can double check the recommendations that you made and the strategy that you came up with. Now move into the meeting content and decide what you want to include and most importantly, why. By default, getKambium creates a meeting plan and it allows you to decide what content you want to include or exclude. I can hide things or include them and tell getKambium why I'm doing that. getKambium reaches into the discovery that you did, as well as connecting into your ConnectWise configuration to pull out key client data such as their configuration, their agreements, their tickets, SLAs, and the like. Most importantly of all, getKambium looks at the plan you've built for the client to show you how you're progressing. What's the work that you've completed, and what's the work that you're going to complete in the next cycle? What's the choices that you need the customer to agree to? And what are the things that you need them to go away and think about? That's the QBR that your customer is going to find most valuable to their organization. And that's it. A QBR that's quick to prepare, that supports your deeper relationship with your client, focusing on the things that are most important to them to drive more revenue and profit for your MSP and more value for your client. We look forward to working with you at getKambium.com.